Kia ora koutou. In a previous video that we did about counting and things to do with numbers, we talked about e, hea, ngā for counting things. E hea ngā pene, tahi rua. E rua ngā pene. And we talked about toko hea for talking about people. Toko hea ngā tamariki, how many children. Toko whā ngā tamariki, 4 children. If we're talking about how many of something that someone wants or needs, it's a different question. So that starts with kia hea. So if you were asking somebody how many sugars they wanted, for example in their coffee, you've ascertained that they want coffee, not tea, and then you say kia hea ngā huka. How many sugars? Kia hea. And if you were wanting some pens, I would say kia hea ngā pene. How many pens? How many pens? Kia hea ngā pene. And then you might say kia toru. You want 3 pens. And for the sugars, kia hea ngā huka. How many sugars do you want? This is a question. Kia hea ngā huka. So let's say you want 2 sugars. Kia rua ngā huka. Or you can just say kia rua, which just means 2. And it means please as well, it's just assumed. If there was just 1, you wouldn't say kia tahi, you would say kia kotahi, 1. You could say kia kotahi noa iho, and that means just 1. Kia kotahi noa iho, kia kotahi. Kia hea ngā huka, how many sugars do you need? Kia kotahi, 1 sugar. If you wanted any number, let's say 10, it's a lot of sugar, kia tekau ngā huka. So somebody might ask you to go out and purchase some t-shirts, and you could say kia hea ngā tihate. How many t-shirts? Oh, kia rua ngā tihate. I need 2 t-shirts. It might be something to do with the recipe. Kia hea ngā karoti. How many carrots do I need in the recipe? Kia whā ngā karoti. Or just kia whā. You don't have to say the whole sentence. So, that's another part of counting and numbers that I thought might be useful to you in your practice for teaching and also at home. Ka kite.